Okay, let's buy a YouTube plaque from my YouTube studio and we can purchase. Okay, it says thank you for your purchase and wait. What's up guys? Welcome to Axel Jr. 100 channel and I'm gonna show you how to I'm unboxing the YouTube plaque of the golden plaque. Oh, someone's ringing. Okay, here's my YouTube plaque. Okay, let's open it. Let's put it and then look at the back. Let's open it. Okay. Oh. Whoa. Uh-oh. And another one. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, there's a YouTube car. Okay. Whoa. What is this thing? No, it's trash. Okay. Let's push it out. Oh. Whoa, thank you so much. Yeah, my golden YouTube play button arrived. I passed 1 million subscribers. Okay, this is the 100,000 and this is million subscribers. Yay! 6, 7. Ah! Thank you for watching this YouTube video and goodbye. I'm gonna put it in the wall. And this too.